Welcome to Marketing Strategies for Personal Trainers. I'm Erin Kendall. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and make sure to leave any comments if you have any questions about anything that we are talking about today. Today's topic, we are talking about personal training business tips because after all, we do want to build sustainable and profitable personal training businesses. And I've found over the years that there are a few major things that help make sure that we have clients coming back to us again and again, paying us on time and being consistent with their personal training sessions. So when you do bring on a personal training client, what is your onboarding process? You have a waiver, of course. You talk about what your price is. Those things are obvious. They're simple. They are clear object of hiring a personal trainer and onboarding a new client. What are the other things that are going to help you stand out and are going to help set you up for success? Do you have a questionnaire? Do you know what information you need from your clients to help design them a personal training lesson plan? How do you help them set goals? How do you know where they came from, what their past experiences are, and what they really hope to achieve? And I can tell you one thing for sure. The first thing that your client tells you is their goal is not their real goal. Their real goal is something deeper, and we want to make sure that we find out what that is so we can really, really hone in on that and make that the primary focus. What is the goal that's going to help them continue exercising long term? What is going to help them make a lifestyle change? How is fitness going to change their quality of life? So figure out what it is that's going to help your clients find success and consistency with their personal training and their fitness lifestyle that they're adopting. That's why they hired you after all. So after that, we want to make sure that we are delivering everything that we promised and more. What are the things that you can do that don't take up a lot of your time that are going to help your clients adopt a fit lifestyle outside of their personal training sessions? What are the other things that they can do, the other changes they can make in their life that are really going to make an impact and going to help them get results? Make sure that you have a list of all the things that can be helpful to them, all the things that could be that were helpful to past clients, and get some input from your clients as well. I personally have a workbook that I use for my clients when I onboard them. I find out what their goals are. I find out what is going to change in their life if they do reach their goals. And that's what we really, really dive deep on and make sure that we remind them again and again of why they are exercising, why they've decided to hire a personal trainer and adopt this new healthy, fit lifestyle. So those are the things that are going to help you, first and foremost, attract clients that need you, want you, are going to come back to you again and again, are going to get results, and are going to rave to all of their friends and family about you and how you can start getting business without having to work so hard for it. You're going to start getting phone calls that come to you, and you're going to be the local expert personal trainer. Grab the workbook at erinkendallfitness.com/biz and start marketing and designing your business in a way that attracts the clients that are going to really rave about you.